This is our 1983 Chevy Monte Carlo SS. So this video will cover a few different things. First off, there will be a very slow-paced walk around of the car. Following that, there will be a second walk around where I'll show close-ups of all the cosmetic blemishes. And then there'll be some video clips of the interior, as well as under the hood with the car running. So this is a 76,000 mile Survivor. We put paint gauge all over it, and it does retain its original paint. Really impressive, dry, rust-free car. Sold new in Idaho. It stayed there until the end of 2018, so it's always been in a nice dry climate. We bought it out of North Dakota, where it had been for less than a year. It is white over royal blue cloth. Very nice combo. The vinyl striping complements it very well. Super nice shape, no aging of the striping at all. Again, you'll see all the cosmetic blemishes later in this video, but there certainly aren't many. Well-optioned car, and we actually found the original build sheet in it, so check out the listing for a photo of that. Assembled in Arlington, Texas. The glass is all clear and crack-free, as are the lights and turn signals. Lights are all functional. Body's really nice and straight. There's a couple tiny little dings that you'll see later in the video. Definitely nothing significant. Body colored wheels are in really nice shape. Very minor signs of age. No curb rash or oxidation. BFG radial TAs. DOT number indicates they were manufactured in 2011. They remain in really nice shape. Doors open and close nice and smooth, no slamming. Just a very honest, dry car. And now onto all the cosmetic blemishes. The lower front lip is actually really nice. Usually we see those all scuffed up. On the hood, there's a couple little chips that have been touched up. You can see on the corner there, and then another couple in the center. We work our way around. Again, original paint. It's got some chipping down the rockers, consistent with 76,000 miles. Car does not smoke excessively. It's under 20 degrees out in Chicago right now. Weather stripping both sides on the driver and passenger window. You'll see some cracking there of the weather stripping. Then we come around to the back, and the corner of the spoiler, you can see a little hairline crack there. And there's a little ding on this quarter. Yeah, you get a look at it there. Again, minor chipping consistent with 70,000 miles. And then the same cracked weather stripping. There are two touched up scratches up on this top corner of the passenger front fender. Then there's also a light ding on the driver's side of the hood. You get a little bit of a look at it there. Overall, very nice Survivor. And now onto the interior. Door panels are really nice. No damaged armrests or kicked open markings. Roll-up windows. The original blue carpet is nice shape. A little bit of age around the dead pedal. Aside from that, very good. dash is super clean. There are little Velcro things in each corner, as the previous owner kept a dash pad on there, kind of a suede-like material that'll come with the car as well. Gauges are all functional. Heat and fan are functional. AC was converted to R134, and I do hear it kick on. It blows cold, but it's so damn cold in Chicago, I honestly can't tell you if it's air-conditioned air or if it's just outside air. But regardless, it has been converted, so worst case scenario, needs a charge. Not a big deal. Royal blue cloth, very nice. No punctures, tears, burst seams, nothing like that. Tiny, tiny, tiny bit of age on the seat bottom. Negligible, really. In the back seat, there is a stain on the seat bottom. You can see in the center there. But the material itself, very nice. The blue headliner, clean and tight. Sun visors are nice.